All right, we're in Elkton today. Elkton. Nice little change of pace. It's a much smaller town on the way to our next destination. So I figure we'll try to make a little bit of money in a small town. See if we can't beat out New York. Well, we saw Elkton. Not much particularly happening out here. We got a couple good orders, and we're headed on to the next stop. Thanks for checking me out today. I hope you have a swell day. Peace. Hey, how you doing? So they just explained to me on the other side, because I was trying to get to Baltimore, and I didn't have any cash, and so they said that it's a $50 fine if you don't have any cash, and you don't have any ATMs here, right?
Not in the booths or nothing.
No? Okay. And then, and y'all don't take cards? Nope. Okay. And you know most people don't carry cash nowadays, right?
Yeah.
Right, so it seems kind of like a racket a little bit, right?
You telling me? I deal with the stress of people getting me with $20 bills back to back, and they expect us to have change because we get cashed over.
Oh, and you don't carry change?
Oh yeah, we give change, but if we get a whole bunch of people that give $20 bills, how do we have change for them?
Okay, all right. Yeah, so you expect other people to have cash, and while you don't even have cash.
We all in that position. Basically, the state wants their money. They're going to get their money. The state's going to get their money.
Yeah.
So only option you have, bro, is to wait for it to come in the mail and dispute the mugs as best as you can.
Yep.
You know
all right. Well, I'm just passing through, and I'll probably never be back to the state, so they can come after me all they want, but they ain't getting their money.
They're going to send it in the mail. They're going to get it some way or another.
Yeah, well.
Have a good day, brother.
All right, have a good day. All right, we're leaving Elkton. GPS took me onto a tolled highway. I guess this is the only way to Baltimore from here. If you're not carrying cash, the charge is $50. They'll mail it to you. They have no ATMs, and you can't pay by card. And I got on going the wrong way, so this little drive cost me $100 on this road. So you better believe I'm gonna drive slow and get my money's worth. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.